Good morning, my dear students. Today in online teaching, continuing the same chapter in English literature, I am going to give you the answers for the exercises which are given in your book in chapter number 4. As I have taught you about the future tense, today I am going to teach you or give you answers for the exercises which are there in the book. So let's start the exercises. Exercise number 8. The question is, rewrite the following sentences in the simple future tense. Simple future tense you have to use. It means you have to use shall or will and verb first form. So number 1 is, I am sure you pass. Answer will be, I am sure you will pass. Next is, I hope you forgive me. So I hope you will forgive me. Third, I appear for the interview tomorrow. So answer, I shall appear for the interview tomorrow. Next, I have some rest now. I shall have some rest now. Number 5, Michael, when you grow up. Michael, when you will grow up. 6, he not come till the meeting begins. So the answer is, he will not come till the meeting begins. Exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with future continuous form of the verb given in the brackets for each blank. So here in the bracket the verbs are given. You have to use with the helping verb of future continuous tense. In future continuous tense we are using will be and shall be plus verb ing form or present participle form of the verb which end with ing. So you have to add here will be and shall be according to the pronouns. Pronouns which I have told you in my previous video that we are using I and will. We are using shall with I and will with the other form of the pronouns. So let's start writing the answer. The question is, the migrating birds will be leaving for Bharatpur late for breeding in a month from now. Next is, the principal will be sending invitations for the concert to all the parents. Third, the tree will be bearing fruit in a couple of years. Fourth, the shepherds will be grazing their sheep tomorrow. Fifth, we will be living in 5 minutes. Sixth, I am sorry, I will not be seeing her tonight. Whenever we are making negative in future continuous tense, we are using not in between will and be or shall and be. Number 7 is, do you think all the teams will be staying in the same hotel? Continuing the same. Next exercise number C. Rewrite the following sentences in the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense means you have to use will have and shall have and the third form of the verb, or you can say past participle form of the verb. First is, the clothes will have dried by the time I return. Second, they will have completed all the assignments by the next week. Number 3, by the timing rain sets in, the raging fire will have destroyed over 2,000 hectares of the forest. Number 4, by the time the boss comes, the meeting will have ended. Number 5, the flight will have taken off by the time we reach the airport. Number 6, they will have finished the work by the time the inspection team arrives tomorrow. Next, DIY die. Rewrite these sentences using the future perfect continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. So first, future perfect continuous tense means you have to use will have been plus ing form of the verb or shall have been plus ing form of the verb. First is by next Saturday, the laborers will have been striking on strike for exactly 6 months. Second, by next year, we will have been exporting these electronic goods for 5 years. Number third, in another 5 minutes, when the clock strikes 10, you will have been watching television for 3 hours. Number 4, when you visit the school next month, I shall have been teaching there for 3 years. Exercise number B of diary. Given below are some ideas to describe changes that will have come about in 10 years' time. Express them in complete sentences using the future perfect tenses. So you have to start the sentence with in 10 years. As in future perfect tense, we are using will have or shall have and verb third form, or you can say past participle. So you have to use this helping verb in the sentences, and the sentence will start in 10 years. So first is computers taking over most of the office work. The answer will be in 10 years, computers will have taken over most of the office work. Next is genetic engineering becoming very popular. So you have to begin with in 10 years. In 10 years, genetic engineering will have become very popular. Number third, India becoming a great industrial power. In 10 years, India will have become a great industrial power. Number 4, cities turning into concrete jungles. In 10 years, cities will have turned into concrete jungles. Number 5, the aging process slowing down. In 10 years, the aging process will have slowed down. So, these 5 answers I have given you. Rest of the 5 which are there in your book, like number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you have to do as homework so that you also come to know that you have understood or not. So do your homework